Привет, it's Marco Rostam again, and today we are still looking at the project file that is from my latest sample pack, Progresso. In my pack, you will find the most accurate project you ever see, so you can achieve the sound your favorite producers are using. Also, it has 15 project files, so you will learn all these 15 styles very fast. Link is in the description down below. Alright, let's enter the city. Okay, let's take a look at this. We have 10,000 of layers. Without the effects. With it. For the chords, we have two different layers. Together. For the bass, we have this. All together. We have a little hi-hat following the lead melody. Together. Alright, let's look at the drum part. We have kicks, rise, tambourine, more rise. To fill up the space, we have some atmosphere layers. And then a downlifter for the excitement. Together. Before we get into the second part of the drop, we have this. In the second part of the drops, we have two new elements introduced. Let's take a listen. And at the end of it, we have the piano. Also, in the chord, we have a little bit of change. And a little fills here. Together, it sounds like this. Alright, that's the end of today's video. If you want to get this project file, make sure to check the link down below. And I will see you in the next episode.